Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing us how to search for an image using Google Lens. Ordinarily you can just type in any picture you're looking for on Google, but in a situation whereby you're looking for a specific picture which you saw on a design, I'm going to show you how to extract the image. So to do that now, I'm going to just copy a link for a blog post I'm working on. So let me go for images. Okay, let's say for instance I want to get this particular image. Let's say I want to get this image and I don't want it with the background because this quality is very low, so I want to get the HD version from wherever this picture was gotten from originally. So all I need to do is just tap on this Google Lens over here, just click on it. It's going to scan the image. Just reduce the section you want. It's going to scan this image right now. You can see it's searching right here, so you can see the search results. So this is where you now know where this picture was gotten from originally. You can see it. So whatever picture you're looking for, this is how you can get the original image. So let me look for another one to give you another instance. Okay, let's say I want to get this image. So all I need to do is just click on Google Lens and it's going to scan the image and give me results. So you can see many more pictures. You can see it, the same visual match in different dimensions, any way you want it. You can now extract any of this. You can see they are from different sources. You can see different sources. This is just simply amazing. So if you've not been using this tool, I'd advise you just take advantage of this Google tool here and make the most out of your designs. So if you got value from this, please hit the subscribe button, like, comment and share this video. I'll see you in my next video guys.